Let's dive into Pi Coin, the digital currency you can mine on your phone with just a tap. It's designed to make crypto accessible to everyone, not just techies. Millions worldwide are collecting Pi, hoping it'll be worth real money someday. But here's the catch. Pi isn't trading on major exchanges yet. It's stuck in the enclosed mainnet phase. That means you can't cash out for dollars or euros right now. Still, people are obsessed with its value, wondering if it's the next Bitcoin or just a fun app. The confusion. There are two prices floating around, the GCV and the market price. It's like seeing two wildly different price tags on the same item. This has sparked heated debates online, with people split over which price is real. Understanding these two values is crucial to avoid scams and make smart decisions. So, let's break down what these prices actually mean for you and your Pi. First up, GCV, the global consensus value. It's not set by the Pi core team, but by the community itself. The most popular GCV, $314,150 per Pi, a clever nod to the number Pi. Pioneers use this value to trade goods and services within their own ecosystem. It's a grassroots movement. People agree to value their Pi at this high price, hoping it'll stick when Pi hits the open market. The idea is, if enough people believe and trade at this value, maybe the world will accept it too. But remember, GCV is not official. It's a social agreement, not a market price. You can't cash out at GCV on any exchange. It only works if both parties believe in it. GCV is about faith and community vision, not current market reality. It's the heart of the Pi dream, a symbol of what the community hopes Pi will become. But it's not guaranteed. It's a bold bet on the future. Now let's talk about the market price, the number you see on crypto exchanges. It's usually just a few dollars, far from the GCV. But here's the twist. These aren't real Pi coins, but IOUs, promises to deliver Pi once it's transferable. The price is set by supply and demand among speculators, not by the Pi core team. It changes constantly, driven by rumors and hype. The Pi core team warns these listings aren't official, and trading them is risky. The market price reflects what a small group is willing to pay for a future promise, not the value of actual Pi in the app. It's pure speculation. So the market price and GCV exist in totally separate worlds. Don't confuse one for the other. Side by side, GCV and the market price couldn't be more different. GCV is a community-set dream, hundreds of thousands per Pi, used for peer-to-peer trades among believers. The market price is much lower, set by speculative IOU trading, maybe $40 or less. For the same laptop, a GCV believer might pay 0.005 Pi, while a market price user might offer 25 Pi. GCV is stable and based on faith. The market price is volatile and based on speculation. The gap is massive. Two universes of value. GCV is what the community wants. The market price is what traders guess. This disconnect confuses new users and creates tension in the community. Remember, GCV is an internal ideal. The market price is an external guess. They're not measuring the same thing. One's a dream, the other's a gamble. So, what should you do as a pioneer? Be patient. The real value of Pi won't be clear until the open mainnet launches. Right now, GCV shows community optimism. The market price shows outside speculation. If you want to trade, you'll need to agree on a value with the other party. There's no universal standard yet. This double-price world creates confusion and opens the door for scams. Don't let anyone pressure you into trades you're unsure about. Neither price is official or guaranteed. Protect your coins, stay informed, and wait for the official launch. Your belief in Pi's future will guide your choices. For now, caution is your best friend. Thinking of buying or selling with Pi? Be careful. Pricing goods at GCV sounds great, but you can only use Pi with others who share that belief. For buyers, the value is subjective. What's a fair price depends on which reality you accept. Every trade is a bet on Pi's future. Always verify who you're trading with and agree on the value before the deal. Write down the terms. Treat it like a real business transaction. The Pi core team hasn't endorsed any price. They're focused on building the network. Any trading now is at your own risk. Don't trade more Pi than you're willing to lose. The double price world is full of opportunity and danger. When in doubt, hold your coins. Better safe than sorry. To sum up, Pi's two prices reflect two visions: the community's dream and the market's speculation. Neither is official, yet. The best thing you can do is stay informed and patient. Don't let hype or fear drive your decisions. Watch for updates from the Pi core team. The real value will emerge when Pi is fully tradable. Decide what you believe and act accordingly. Don't let anyone pressure you. Your Pi, your choice. This is just one chapter in Pi's story. Stay smart, keep learning, and protect your coins. Who knows? Maybe one day your Pi will buy you more than just a coffee.